So welcome to episode 2 of Isme Scope है क्या career series, in which we will be decoding all the career options available for life science, biotech and micro students one by one. So basically regulatory professional ensures कि कंपनी का जो भी प्रोडक्ट है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर फूड बेस्ड कंपनी तो फूड, बायोटेक, फार्मा, मेडिकल डिवाइसेस एक्सेट्रा, जो भी कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट है, जहाँ वेर एवर विच एवर कंट्री आर प्लानिंग टू सेल दैट प्रोडक्ट और मार्केट दैट प्रोडक्ट, उस कंट्री का लॉज, रेगुलेशन, गाइडलाइंस सब फॉलो कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है वो प्रोडक्ट, फॉल्स विद इन द रेगुलेशंस और नॉट. In short, you can say that a regulatory professional, it acts as a bridge between the company and the regulatory agencies where you are targeting to sell your product. Regarding the salary, a fresher can earn around 20 to 30k per month. With certification, experience and upskilling yourself, you can reach a salary of 1 lakh plus per month too. And talking about the growth part, the growth is amazing. There are a lot of vacancies in regulatory affairs. If you check your Naukri portal in LinkedIn, there are so many vacancies for regulatory professionals. So if you talk about the growth part, the growth is amazing. All you have to do is upskill yourself, do certification, study more, know more about this. Now, these are the top companies which hire regulatory affair professionals. And talking about its eligibility criteria, biotech, life science, micro, pharmacy, all students are eligible for this role, regulatory professional role. You can undergo certificate courses. There are many institutes which are offering short-term certificate courses which you can enroll and understand the drug approval process. What are the guidelines which are applicable for that product, and what is every country has different guidelines, different requirements. So you should know the drug approval process. And there are colleges which provide diploma in regulatory affairs. You can also do some less paid courses in regulatory affairs in Udemy, Coursera, so that you get an idea about the courses. Colleges like Manipal and many other provide diploma in regulatory affairs, in which they teach you in detail about the drug approval process, how the product, what the regulations are in every country. So the final verdict, regulatory affairs में scope तो है. अगर आप you are someone who is interested in compliance, documentation, research, अगर आपको ये तीनों चीज़ें पसंद है तो this is the best combination of profile which you can go for. और सुनो, जाते जाते फॉलो करके जाइए ताकि जो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड है वो आपसे मिस ना हो. टिल देन, बाय बाय.